Today we're doing all things rainbow, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made this adorable rainbow out of fondant, and we're also gonna make this cute rainbow buttercream. It's all things rainbow. Welcome back to Shilly's Bakes Cakes. All right, to start out making this fondant rainbow, we need obviously some fondant, and I just dyed the colors, 6 different colors of the rainbow. So we've got pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple today, and we're gonna make a rainbow out of them. All right, now we're gonna roll out the fondant, kind of just roll it out with your hands, and just kind of roll it into like a little snake. All right, so we are starting out with purple. We are just going to use my little, you can see that I have just a little silver round cookie cutter. I'm just gonna put that right down. It's gonna be the base of our rainbow. We're gonna set it across this cookie cutter, and there's the shape of your rainbow. Leave a little bit of excess on the side, and we are gonna roll it up kind of like a snail. And this is gonna be just a little bit more fun with our rainbow, because we gotta make it that much more magical. So we're just gonna roll it and make it look like a little snail. And now we have the first part of our rainbow. Next, we are going to do blue. So we're gonna do the same thing, guys. We're gonna roll it out like a snake. We're gonna set it on top of the purple, and we're gonna roll it up just like a little snail, guys. If you need to practice rolling it, go ahead and practice, and then do it on your actual rainbow. So we're just gonna keep rolling that up. Next color, we have green. Do the same thing. We're gonna roll it up so it looks like a snail. Then we have the yellow. Keep on rolling. And then we have the orange and the pink. And there you have it, guys, the cutest little rainbow. And I like how you roll it so it gives that extra little fun rainbow look. And it's really pretty simple, guys. So just practice that, just kind of rolling it up. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell.
As you can see, I'm just adding a few toothpicks. We're just sticking them into the bottom of this rainbow so that when it's ready to be placed in our cake, this will be easy and it will go in our cake nice and smooth.
We need to make this rainbow sparkle. So I have my fancy prism powder, and we're just gonna put a little bit of water and we're gonna spread it all across this rainbow so that it gives it that extra rainbow sparkle. All right, let it dry a few days before you're gonna put it on your cake. That is essential for this rainbow to get dry and be able to stick together so it will stand up on your cake. Our rainbow is drying, so we need to make our rainbow cake. All right, I just made a cake, guys, and it's just super rainbow inside. I've showed you guys that technique before, and if you want to see it again, I'll link one of the cakes that I've made, kind of tie-dye cakes. Or I can make another one if you guys want to see how I did it. Now we need to make the rainbow stripes. Today, I'm not using a cake comb. I've showed you guys how to do stripes with a cake comb, but I'm not using that today. We are just going to fill our buttercream into our piping bags, and we're gonna do it that way. Yes, we're using 6 today. This is what happens when you do rainbow. You use a lot of piping bags. All right, we're just gonna cut out a little tiny bit at the end of our piping bags, all 6 of them the same size. So if you wanna cut them all together so they're kind of the same size, you guys can do that. All right, now we're gonna fill up those piping bags. So now, look at the rainbow we have. Look at this fun buttercream rainbow. Really, it's my favorite. I love seeing all the buttercream and all the bright colors in your piping bags. It's just something about it. It's just so happy. Now that we have our buttercream into our piping bags, it's time to make this rainbow. So like I said, we're not using actual cake comb with stripes. We're just gonna make them so they're gonna blend together. This is what I want to happen today, and I think it looks kind of cool sometimes when you do it this way. So we're gonna start at the very top. Remember, I put my cardboard round on top so we can get those sharp edges. And we are gonna start with our pink, and we're just gonna pipe right around that cardboard round, all the way around that cake with our pink buttercream. Okay, next we are doing orange, and we're gonna go right around our cake. Then we have yellow. Then we have our green. And then we have our blue. And then we're gonna end it with purple. Now that we have all those colors on the cake, it's kind of fun and crazy. Get your cake scraper. Then we're gonna start gently scraping that buttercream away. Nice, it's just like when you're doing a normal cake, just scrape it off nice and gently, and just keep scraping, guys. Gently scrape that buttercream away, and look at the rainbow that you are creating on this fun cake. What do you think of the rainbow? So cute and so fun. Like I said, the colors do bleed together, but that is what we were going for today when we were making this fun rainbow cake. I just wanted to show you guys how to stripe a cake without your cake comb, and it just makes some magic. I love it. All right, now we have to add a little bit of white because we need some clouds, you know, on top of this rainbow. All right, to make our white drip, I use bright white chocolate melts, and we are just gonna put a half a cup of those into our glass bowl, and then we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. We're gonna pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. It's gonna come out, it's gonna be yummy white ganache. Once the ganache comes out, I put it in my little squeezy bottle, and we're just gonna squeeze a drip all the way down the sides of our cake here. like I said, make this rainbow a couple of days in advance so it stands up nicely on your cake. And I just added those little toothpicks so it helps it to go right into your cake and it will stay sturdy when you put it in. All right, let's put this rainbow in. Look at that. The cutest rainbow cake. I love it. I loved Rainbow Bright as a kid, so this cake is giving me all the Rainbow Bright vibes. Thanks so much for watching here at Chili's Bakes Cakes as we created this fun, magical rainbow cake. You guys can see it's pretty easy. You can do this at home, so go in your kitchen and go make some magic today. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.